How to appear more confident in your own skin. First things first, posture is crucial when it comes to confidence. You don't want to be slouching or sitting in your hip because it's not flattering to your body and it's not going to make you feel good. Stand up straight, shoulders back, and you're set. Next, we have chin placement and eye contact. You always want to have your chin up and your eyes connected because eye contact signals power and confidence. Looking down and away makes you seem unsure of yourself. Now onto facial expressions. Pleasant and happy facial expressions are best because not only does it come off that you are happy and content with yourself, but you get what you give. Next is most important to me, and that is getting familiar with your body and accepting your body for what it is and for all that it does for you. Once you learn to enjoy your body and be comfortable in it, you can do anything. And lastly, where your focus goes, energy flows. If you dedicate time to loving your present body, the rest of the world will see it as well.